Oh, hello. How is it going? So let me see. What am I doing? I'm live. That's nice to know. Switch it to live mode and let's. By the way, guys, today I joined first hackathon of my life. There were some somewhat simple questions, but I was not able to do them because I'm retarded. First question was super shitty. It was. I forgot the question title. Let me think. What did I do? It was something along the lines of make the row and column zero in the array. It was pretty simple. Let me actually go to Excalibur and I'll give you a quick example. So pretty much what we were doing, so we have an array, awesome, and then we have lots of elements, right? So pretty much if this guy is zero, then this and this thing should become zero. If this guy is zero, then this and this should become zero. So that was pretty much it. I did this shit in like 7 or 8 minutes because I'm slow as fuck. I could have done it earlier, but and then I waited for my friend and I submitted it in like 13 minutes because I was helping him do it. And then I realized I should have done it as soon as I could have. Then it would have helped me, but okay. Then the second question was pretty easy too, but somehow I fucked it up. Let me show you. So pretty much we would have a 1D array in which we will have like 1, 2, 5, 3, and up to 10, like numbers. So if the current number is greater than the number on its left, then we remove that guy. Now you might say 5 is also greater than that, but I think you are right. It is greater than 1. So I guess we skip that guy too. I mean, pretty much something like that. I think I understand where I fucked it up. So in my code logic, it would have just skipped checking 5 and gone to 3 directly. And it wouldn't have killed 3 because, yeah, but it would have killed 10. So it would have done an extra step. I see. But pretty much we just needed to see how many steps we have to go until we can no longer kill the plants. Pretty much that. I did it. It was like 70% accurate or 60% accurate. It was not 100% accurate. I think I understand the reason why. I'm not sure why I couldn't think. I just wrote it and now I understand. What the fuck, dude? Anyways, I could have done this thing in a better way. Then I would have got 100%. Then I would have scored a better rank, but who cares? Then there was a binary tree question. Sorry, it was not binary actually. The tree had more roots. I don't remember, but it was a tree question. Pretty much, first of all, we will get n and q. N is number of nodes, q is number of queries they will have. So let's say we got 5, then we will get the node value. So pretty much we will have 5 nodes, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we will get 5 values. Let's say 1, 3, 7, 1, 4. So after that, we will get the what is it called? Like the connections. Like if 1 is connected to 3 and 4, 7 is connected to 1, 1 is connected to 4. Pretty much we'll just get the connections. I think they are called edges. And then we would have got, initially we got number of nodes and number of queries. Then we would have got the queries. So queries were like, we will get 3 queries, right? So each query is 4 inputs. I think they were called W, X, Y, and Z. So how will this work? So what you need to do is you need to find the path between W and X. Let's say it was 1 and 3. So the first path will be 1 dash 3. And then we will get a similar length path. At least that's what I thought. That will be 1 and 4, for example. 1 and 4. So it will be 1, sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the fourth node. Fourth and fifth node, my bad. Fourth and fifth node. And this is actually the second node. All right. So now what we have to do is we have to find the number of correct pairs between these two paths. So like we will iterate through both of these. Like let's say the iteration for these these nodes of path. Let's say this is path A, this is path B. Now when we iterate through these notes. By the way, let me check if we have any comments. Oh, damn, sure, dude. You can join the Japanese. Well, right now it's a bit of programming, then I'll do Japanese. But, anyways, in the path A and path B, we have to, let's say this is I, this will be J. Now, we have to go through every I for every J. What we will do is, if, first of all, the current I shouldn't be equal to J, that means the zero shouldn't, if both are zero, then the condition is fucked. So, that doesn't work. And then the value of I should be equal to value of j, and of course the I is part of path A and j should be part of path B. So we have to find such pairs, and then we have to return the number of pairs for every query. So it's pretty simple. The only thing we need to do is find the path. That's fucking it. And after that we just have to do this. I was not even, I just started this question. I did like a bit of path finding thing, and then I had only like 5 or 10 minutes left. My friend was on this question. I just skipped this question at this part. So I started explaining him how this thing works, and then I guess my brain got fogged, so I didn't did this question either. So my first question, it was 100% accurate. Second one was like 60 or 70, I don't know. And third one, I didn't even submit that shit. So yeah. So we got like 30 rank out of 100 people. Yeah, I mean, I should have done better, but my apologies. We'll try better next time. But yeah, it was a fun experience, I will say. My first real life hackathon. Feeling cool, awesome shit. And now it's time to do some Japanese. भी बंद करो तुम पूरी करो भाई. Okay, man. All right. It's time to do some. Sorry. Let me start. Five. Anyways, let me just check my Discord and then I'll continue with the Japanese. Okay. Anyways, Japanese. Let's go. Trash can Gombika. Sorry, Gombiko. Gom Gumi. Interesting. Did I write it here? I did. What's wrong with me? Why did I not do that? I did. Gumi Bako. Dustbin. Dustbin or trash can be. Anyways, why is this thing not working? Do I have internet? I do have internet. Let me drink some water meanwhile. Close that. Close this. Trash can. Gumi Bako. Bako. Gumi Bako. Oh, sorry. ATM was over this. The ATM is over there. ATM is on the first floor. ATM was this. By the way, my Japanese, I have Japanese classes on Monday, and I had an extra Japanese class on Wednesday, and I forgot to take my notebook with me, so I got scolded for it. I mean, not necessarily that. What happened was I was writing the stuff on my MacBook. Actually, we're not doing like literal hiragana or katakana or kanji at the moment. We are doing romanji, so pretty much this. All right. So I was like, just a moment. Alrighty. So yeah, where were we? ATM by this. Yeah. Anyway, the ATM is not here, I guess. ATM. Do you, Hari Muska, do you have an ATM? Who the fuck asks something like that? Do you have an ATM? Like, who? Sorry, what? I don't understand this logic. Do you have an ATM? Why is that right? You cannot. What does that mean? Maybe a business owner might ask, like, does your building have an ATM? That's weird. Sweet. Oh, dude, guys, let me. I was telling you about the Japanese class here. So, in my Japanese class, I forgot to get my amazing notebook in which we write our beautiful notes because I'm dumb. It was at 8:15, all right. Usually, our classes starts at 9 something. So I was in a rush, and it was decided at like 10 or 11 p.m. at night, and I was asleep till then. So when I woke up at 7, yes, I woke up a bit late, but when I woke up at 7, I was like, shit, I'm late. And then I rushed into the class. I had no notebook, so I wrote it all on my laptop, and it was going good. Then in the middle of the lecture, the teacher realized I'm not doing the right thing, and I was asked to not do it next time. I mean, she didn't necessarily ask me not to do it. I think she recommended that I write it in a copy, and that would be better. And guess what? I agree with her. And guess what? Next time I will most likely not forget to get it. Hopefully. Yeah. And today we did the first law for engineers. That was an interesting class. The teacher is pursuing her PhD right now, and she seemed like a cool person, I'll say. I just don't have enough knowledge, so I can't really talk a lot. Like she said, do all the do law, is law equivalent to morality? Like if something is immoral, is it necessary that that thing is illegal? I said no, it isn't necessary. She said, give me an example. And as an uneducated dumb person, I didn't knew an example. So I regretted answering her. And I just said, I don't even know what I replied, to be honest. What did I say? I'm pretty sure I just made some shit up. Like, I don't know, or I don't know. I actually don't know what I said. And apart from that, there was another question, like, I don't remember. But pretty much, yeah, the law class was fun. I wrote a lot of stuff in it. Let me show it to you guys. Actually, no, I'm pretty sure I've written something bad there and then I may get cancelled for it. So, you know what? I don't think I wrote something bad. So, like, jurist, Constitution of India is called Grunt norm. I'm not sure if I spelled it right. It might have been grunt. I just can't believe it can be grunt. So, I don't know. By the way, if is that not how we spell behavior? What the hell, dude? Then we got a lot of definitions of law because we couldn't define law and pretty much yeah random stuff. Then we talked about jurisprudence and types of jurisprudence, I guess, and a bit of random stuff and a bit of weird stuff I wrote. And yeah, it was an interesting class, I will say. So far the classes are going interesting. I think I should do a stream on how my college is going, but sounds like a pain, man. Plus, it will be a bit easier if somebody will ask me stuff because I forget stuff. But let's see. And I'm in another dilemma, by the way, guys. Do you guys remember this mini hackathon thing I mentioned? So, this was from 12:30 to 4 p.m., by the way. And I had a class from 12:15. I had two classes. They were till 2:10. So I skipped both of these classes, and we have a thing called OD. It's official duty or something. So if we participate in some real school shit, we can get a OD. I theoretically I have a OD, but right now my attendance is marked as not present. That's not good because 75% is required, and I don't want to go below 100, because if I go below 95, then I will my 1 marks will be deducted, and I don't like that. But let's see, I will need to re-talk to my program leader about this thing, and then hopefully the attendance will be resolved tomorrow, and then this dilemma will die. But yeah, it's fun. College is interesting, I will say. Anyways, let's get back to Japanese, by the way. What is Norikai? Transfer is here. The transfer is here. What the fuck does that mean? Norikai is here. Oh, the change is here. So it's like you have to change the line. So you might say Norikai wa koko desu. That means you have to change the line here. Um, interesting. Interesting. Japanese. Norikai, 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 Norikai. Norikai was change or transfer. Interesting. Very, very interesting. And then we have to find the thing once more. There it is. Norikai. Bus stop is not. This is not bus stop. Sorry. It's the bus stop isn't here. Interesting. Interesting. Where do I have a ping? FAQ. Okay. Let me check. Let me check. What is that ping about? Ping about. Ping about. Just a moment, everybody. Just a moment. Just a moment, guys. I'll be back in a moment. I have to verify something interesting. Let me do that real quick. Hello, after this, all thing you find it boring. After this, all things you find is boring. Test channel, hello. And I mean, everything is boring, but everything can be interesting at the same time, if you ask me. So, yeah. Um, it's very interesting. Anyway, that was that. Oh, let me show you the screen again. All right. So yeah, as I was saying, so things. I mean, I find college a pain in the ass because because some of the classes are literally bullshit. Like I am in a computer engineering college. Computer is my favorite fucking subject. I might not be very good at this, but I love it. All right. But I hated the computer class. I mean, I shouldn't say it, but it might be because my computer teacher is most likely a new teacher. It's probably his first time teaching. And I mean, if I was him, it will be probably hard for me as well to teach some random 60-year-old, 18-year-old kids. But it's not a very nice experience. So what happened was he opened up. I mean, it might be same for every college computer class, but I'm just telling what happened to me, right? So in the computer class, the guy came with a presentation In the present Microsoft presentation file thing, he had stuff like what is hardware, what computer generations, differences in them, softwares, type of devices, and stuff like that, right? And today he did like conversion of binary, decimal, hexadecimal, and things. Um, Sorry, what? Uh, I am not sure. I forgot what I was talking about. Actually, my roommates were screaming, so I lost my focus. But anyway, so the computer teacher I was talking about was, so I just want to say that the class was very bad because he was not very audible, and it's because it was his second class ever, not for us, like second class ever. So I can understand where he is coming from. As an introverted person, I can understand what is happening to him. But yeah, I can't really help it. And the another sad thing was like lab. The programming lab was for 2 hours, and and guess what we learned in those 2 hours? I didn't took this laptop with me, so I don't have it here, but I can write it down. So what we learned was hashtag include stdio.h in main and hello world return 0. Now somebody might argue and say that this is good enough for the first class, but it isn't. We are 18-year-old. I am pretty sure everyone here is from a maths. Use word for coding. Dude, the school's computer had motherfucking. I don't even remember the name, dude. It was like a 1980 CEP code editor. I'm pretty sure I will recognize it. Turbo C++, yeah, it was Turbo C++. It was very funny, dude. But that's okay. That's how it works. But the main problem was in a 2 hour class, I only learned these 5 line of codes. And if okay, of course, it's possible that you can take 2 hours to explain these lines. Like you can explain what hashtag include does. It will include this .h file of standard input and output, and standard input and output file have lot of random shit. You can explain. Oh, sorry, it is printf actually. You can explain a lot of random shit there, and then you can explain how the function declaration works. Like this is function name, this is the function prototype, this is the function return type. What does return type mean? Then you are actually returning the thing here. That means this is the end of the function. This is what we are returning. And then you can explain what does printf mean. Printf is from this stdio thing, and we are giving it a text variable, sorry, a string, and blah blah blah. So you can take your time in it, but still, dude, I don't think the explanation was that detailed. I think he is probably getting used to the thing, so I'm hoping in like a week or two we will start getting good programming classes. But let's see, let's see. Both of us are learning, I guess. But yeah. So far the programming class was the most boring class in my college. But yeah, I hope it will improve. But today he did somewhat of an interesting thing. He taught us how to do base 2 to base 8, 10, 16, yeah, the random things. Of course, probably most of the students have already read it, but if it is in syllabus, then of course he will teach it. And it was nice. It was better than what happened yesterday in the lab. So I am looking forward to good stuff. And now it's time for Japanese. Gombi wako wa gomi bako gomi bako gomi bako gomi bako. I mean, I don't care, to be honest with you. I wrote my code on Visual Studio Code because my like the what is it? The desktop on our college. I think the desktops have both Visual Studio Code and Turbo C++ and Notepad. But I take my laptop with me, so I just use mine. I don't really care about their laptops. But if he will ask for a suggestion, I will definitely ask him to use V. But I'm not sure what editor does people using C use. I don't know. I don't have. I will need to ask. I mean, VSC should be good enough, most likely, hopefully, or maybe they use Vim. I don't know. Anyways, actually, I think I might have cold, or not cold, like something. というのは、ありません。Sorry, we don't. Wallet, Saifu. Transfer Norika ke o'clock. G. Hachi. Homo's platform. Homo's platform. By the way, test channel, who are you? Do I know you? Or you are just a cool random guy online? Norika eva asuko this. So the transfer is over there. Soko. Yeah. Oh, it's the Mm-mm. The convenience store is not here, or we do not have convenience store, something like that. We don't have a convenience store. Oh damn! Ah no, Nori wa doko desu ka? Etto, Nori wa doko desu ka? Haha. This reminds me, the Japanese teacher asked us to learn Japanese properly because our school's goal is to teach us Japanese, which is good or which works in the Japan work thing. So pretty much they are training us to become worker bees there. That sounds fun, hopefully. I mean, I've heard bad stuff about Japan work culture, so looking forward to it. Anyways, we don't have a convenience store. Okay. Conveni wa arimasen. Nice. We did it. Oh shit, by the way, we also have to do a technical communication thing, and that shit is crazy. Ask why. So the teacher gave us like 20 topics on which we are not supposed to give presentation. That's a broad set of topics, by the way. So I chose topics like cybersecurity, which was a very common one, so I expected it to get rejected. Then I thought about freelancing because I thought freelancing is something which is very necessary, but I think that's very common as well, so it got rejected. I thought about what if I give presentation on how to give presentation. That shit got rejected. I guess. I mean, that is very interesting if you ask me how to give presentation. But okay, it was rejected. And what do we have? The scientist thing. Why should we pay scientists? That was rejected. I also suggested what are we lacking? Like, what are the things which we are possibly doing wrong as a country and what we can improve? I am not sure if this one got rejected or not because I was actually not my communications class. So I need to confirm with my friends if it got rejected, or I might just message my teacher like, am I allowed to give presentation on this thing? Because the teacher said that we are free to give the presentation on controversial topics. So this should be allowed. And this doesn't sound very common. I mean, like everybody cries about shit, of course. That's what we are gonna do. But not in presentations, do they? So the one this is one possible thing. There is another possible one. It's like how social media indirectly promotes unethical things, bad things, adult stuff. That one was not rejected. So that is also in our bucket of lists. So we have two ideas right now. I need to confirm one of them. And I really wanted to do on freelancing, but it didn't work. I wanted to do on cybersecurity as well because I've seen a couple of Thor videos. So That should help out, but that didn't work as well. I mean, I don't know. We are allowed to do it on social media creators, but I am not sure if the creators I watch are common with my friend group, not friend group, the technical communication group. Because like I will love to do it on Thor, or maybe I mean there are a few more. So I just don't remember the names, but or maybe we can do it on a set of YouTubers. I'll probably list the YouTubers out, and if somebody watches them, then wait, Thor is technically a Twitch streamer. YouTube is a secondary thing, so I hope that was not something negative. Unschooled gamer. Ha, what's up, dude? Not ungraduated gamer. Good to tell you as you will. No, 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 dude. Dude, I know you. Unschooled gamer. I remembered you. I just didn't knew the channel name. I mean, like, dude, it's on him. I'll use Visual Studio Code for myself, and I'm happy with it. Oh, I see. So I probably misread it last time. Unschooled gamer. Ah, did I say unschooled noob? What did I say? What did I say? Okay, I think I'm just too asleep for this. I'll continue with the next lesson. 90-day streak. Let's go. Let's go. Let's do another class, bro. Resto. Oterai. Otearai. Otearai. Let's write it down, baby. Otearai. Let's do. Otearai wa doko desu ka? Sumimasen. Otearai wa doko desu? Doko desu? Okay, that's nice. Do you guys have a restroom? Do you have a restroom? Nice shit, nice shit. Takushi. Okay, not writing that one, of course. Move. Mm. Ooh. Ooh. What is my Ichigo? Ikkai. Let me just take it down. ATM. Ikkai. This. Sorry. We have used this one. The ATM is on the. Sorry. Underground. Oh, my apologies. So I guess the first floor is the underground floor, like the way I expect it to be. Underground level. All right. Omova chica this platform. Okay. Taxi wa chica this ka. Taxi wa chica this ka. Is the taxi on the underground floor? The Are the taxis on the underground level? Okay. Ooh, we don't have Wi-Fi. Interesting. Yeah, Wi-Fi wa arimasen. This one is nice. I like this lesson. 10 in a row, baby. Sorry, we don't have Wi-Fi. Oh, by the way, did I tell you guys about this new thing I found? This JPTN5 thing. It might have been JPL. I'm not sure. JLP. Sorry, it's JLPT. Okay. Did I tell you guys about this one? So our teacher uh, recommended us that we do our Japanese a bit properly so we can apply for this N5 thing and hopefully get N5 qualified in 2 years. So I will try to get N5 qualified earlier than that. I wanted to say this year, but we only have 3 months left. I don't think I know enough Japanese for that. I mean, I will need to do a bit more research on how long it takes and shit. Just a moment. Alright, I'm back. So I did a couple of things. My apologies for leaving you guys hanging. Alright. Maybe soon Crazy will start dubbing animes to Hindi or maybe Japanese if his voice fits. I mean, maybe it's not impossible. But anyways, so I did two things just now, talk to my family, or some stuff. And I hate my hostel for one thing. I mean, this is again probably a valid thing that we are supposed to go and fucking sign the manual that we are in the college. Awesome. But I hate that shit because I complete my dinner and whatever the fuck at till like 7 p.m. And when I come back in the hostel, these motherfuckers don't let me sign. They are like, it's too early. I mean, okay, I understand it's too early. It's possible that I might need to leave at 8:30, but I don't. So I will like to sign at 7 and then fucking sleep, but I can't. And because of that, after after 8 at some random time, like today at 9 or sometimes at 8:30, sometimes at 10:30, I have to go back and sign. And sometimes the guy will call me and he's like, "Why have you not signed yet? Because dude, you don't let me do it." But I guess can't really do anything about it. Soon, I think our hostel entry will be limited to only face recognition based exit and entry. I think then we might not need to do this sign stuff because right now we have two doors. One door have a face recognition system, another door have no shit, no verifications. We can just jump and we can go. I mean, we don't even have to jump, we can just move. That's why I think they do the sign thing when it will be restricted only to the camera thing, then we might not need to sign it, and I will love it. All right, and I love it. Anyways, let me check the test dates. I can give one on December, so September, October, November. So I have like 2 months. Okay, do we have anything in India? India in New Delhi. Okay, so I can give it here. I'll probably talk to my teacher about this shit. I mean, I can give it a shot. But before that, I should probably learn Japanese instead of jumping into giving the test. Oh man, let's move. What the fuck was that? Oh, of course, it was disconnected. Anyways, elevator wa asoko desu. The elevator is over there. Easy, easy. I'm listening to Crazy chatting on Discord. How the hell are you playing Genshin Impact in the background? What the hell, dude? I think I should probably get the medicine for this thing. Eats tabimus, restorum, oterai, bread is pan, so jury. And by the way, unschool, you are doing a lot of stuff. You are listening to a crazy guy, and somehow you are talking on Discord, and somehow while doing all of that, you are also playing Genshin in background. Crazy. Anyways, is the elevator over there? That's okay. Make it harder, dude. Ah, sumimasen. Wi-Fi wa arimasen. Wi-Fi wa arimasen. Ikuzo to an elevator. Elevator wa arimasu ka? Elevator wa arimasu ka? Perfecto. Let's go. Today I'm doing good, man. What's up with me? What's up with me, dude? Two perfect lessons. That's awesome. I wanna do another one. Damn, I'm in gold league now. Crazy. Okay, let's look at the guidebook now. I think I'm ready to do it. Kai Satsu. ATM, elevator, home. You've seen a handful of hiragana characters like A and E, which you place after a word to show what role it has in sentence. In short, va goes with the topic that's already been mentioned or implied, and ga is used to give more attention. Oh yeah, I remember using both wa and ga. Tanaka-san wa gagsu desu ka? Tanaka-san wa gagsu desu. Tanaka-san ga gagsu desu. mm, okay, so pretty much we can use ga with va. Is that what you were saying? Va, 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 va. I've never written that. That's crazy. Va, no, mo, ga. All right. So I think I'm ready to do the test. Let's jump there, baby. I was playing Valorant, but due to Valo's mistake, I got an EFK penalty. All right. So, oh shit, 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 shit. Almost got a. Oh, thank God. I don't understand. How does this thing work? I don't understand how this earphone works, man. Close the Spotify thing anyway. Ayush, Blair, I'm here. Nice timing. Yeah, Blair. Very nice timing. I'm about to give a test. Exit. Dude, you never taught me exit. What the fuck? Shichiji, that's like 7 o'clock. Deguchi, t-shirts. So Deguchi means exit. Let me write that down. They never taught me that. That's crazy. Deguchi is exit. Chizu wa arimasu ka? Do you have a map? Chizu arimasu ka? Where is it, dude? Sorry. Chizu wa arimasu ka? You have a map. Chi- do you have a map? Yep. Resto room. Oterai. Otearai. Hope you meet the Japanese girl and talk with her. I mean, I don't even know if she was Japanese. Plus, oh, let's see, man. Let's see. Let's see. Kaidan wa koko desu ka? Kaidan means stair, I guess. It might mean cafe as well. Kaidan wa koko desu ka? Koko is here. Are these stairs here? Kaidan. Let me write that down as well. Kaidan. Awesome, awesome. Then we will lose the crazy tab. No, dude. We're not losing the crazy tab. No way, man. I mean, I might. I don't want to lose myself. Come on. Asoko means like over there. Mise, mise kudasai. Mise probably means listen or see. Toi is the only one which makes sense. So toi means far. Toi means far. Continue. How many words have you remembered till now? I most likely remember all of these words. There might be like, I don't remember the weekdays yet, apart from the Nichiyobi and Doyobi, and probably a couple more, but mostly I remember all of these, so they are probably like, copy that, go to Visual Studio Code, don't forget the code, paste, okay. So that's like 100 words. So I know like probably I know few words apart from these as well. So I don't know, like 150 words, 200 words, somewhere there. Nothing crazy yet. Excuse me. I can't read yet. So I can only listen. I can read a bit of hiragana, but I cannot read katakana or kanji at all, dude. Ticket gate, guys. So, there I Nikai this. What is Nikai? Ni means two. Kai, Ichikai was first floor, so it's probably second floor. The restroom is on the second floor. Nice shit. Ah, that might be a perfect one. Close. Let's think about it. Juni means 12. Saifu means forehead. So Chikai. Chisai is small, so Chikai might be small distance and bam. Anyways, let's search where I wrote far. Chikai. What was it? Close. Next. E convenience store. Store. Where is it? Store is on the Ikai first floor. Sumimasen. Oh no, wa taxi janai this. Oh, re. Sorry, this. Oh no. Kore wa. Kono taxi wa. Ah, that makes sense. Kore wa. Taxi janai this. Taxi. Taxi janai this. Sumimasen. Kore wa taxi janai this. That makes sense. ATM is on the first level. Oh, shit, dude. What did I miss? ATM, what? Chikai. Oh, sorry, Chikai means underground level. Ah, my bad. My bad. Shit, it could have been perfect. We don't have Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi wa arimasen. Wa arimasen. Yes, the transfer here. Cafe is far, isn't it? Cafe. Okay, that's what cafe. Cafe wa toi desu ne. Subarashi. I'm halfway there. That's interesting. Ah, vending machine. I don't even know what these guys call a vending machine. Ayush, do you know that? Toi, hitori, hitotsu, 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 pocha, ik. Ah, jihanki wa arimasu ka? Continue, I'm guessing this shit. Jihanki, that one is gonna take me some time to remember that. Isekai as vending machine. I don't know, forgot lol. I have watched that anime. The guy who was a vending machine, or he used to get stuff from vending machine. It was something like that. I forgot, but I've seen that anime. Sumimasen. I don't even know what storage. Just a moment. Um, I guess I will need to end the stream if I take the call. Okay, I'll take the call after a bit. Sumimasen, we don't have storage lockers, so let's see. Kai Ban. Kaidan. Kaidan was What? What was skydive? It was stairs. Sumimasen. It's coin lock, but there's no storage lock, no? Okay, that's weird. The elevator is over there. Elevator. Wow. Pasok. Alright, guys. Thanks a lot for joining in today. Watching. You're watching this one with your brother. I don't know. I think I've seen this. I think I've seen it. Ooh, it's. Ooh, I think I will need to watch this one if I have not watched it yet. I have probably watched this. I just don't. I'm not 100% sure. Okay, I have not watched this one. I'll watch it. Thank you for the suggestion. Anyways, I will be taking my leave. I have to do a couple of things. I'll do the legendary tomorrow, hopefully, and then I'll see you guys later. I also need to do character practice, and yeah, bye bye. I'm getting calls. Holy shit. Thank you, by the way. Thanks a lot for joining in. And really, thank you, Hypernova and Ungraduate Under Unschooled Gamer. Thanks a lot for joining in. Oh, yeah, dude. Of course, I remember it, dude. Come on. And I'll good night, take care, and thanks a lot for talking.